Alright guys, welcome back to another video of Small Town Hunters. I am Isaiah Wagner. Today Paul, my brother, and I, and also my brother Kyle, are going fishing to a local spot that we like to fish at. A lot of big bass, a lot of big northern. Great spot to get big bass. Last time we went, Paul ended up catching a 31-inch northern. I caught a couple smaller bass, but hopefully today the spawn will be good, so stick around. Let's get started. Oh, geesh. Oh, I just had a hit. First cast, yeah. It was a northern. Oh, he hit it. He was on it. What? No, he had it. It wasn't hooked. That was a good cast. That was a good cast.
A lot of geese.
It's not a fish, is it? Oh, it is. That thing's small. Is that it? I guess, never mind. I don't know what this is.
What the heck?
What is it? It's a bass? Oh, he's a decent. He's okay. Dude. Is that? Dude, this thing's about ready to spawn. Look at that belly. Gosh. That's a nice bass. I mean, not huge, but we're gonna let him go. We're gonna get a picture real quick. Gonna get a picture real quick and let him go. All right, we're gonna get a release on him. All right. Ooh. Probably shouldn't have put him sideways. At first, I thought I was snagged on a branch with him. It wasn't even pulling, it just like bit and then it just stayed still. There's a swan.
Ooh, Falcon's being angry.
Holy cow. There's a turtle. Oh, I think I saw something go at it. I saw something shine. He didn't hit it, but he went by it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's two turtles. Pretty cool. These things are kind of hard to cast. Oh, that was a weed, I think. It's a little tough to cast these.
Run on water shoes.
Got it. Fine late. Not a very big guy, but I don't know, what is that? What's a bass? Yeah, I love that. All about the same size.
Back in the day, I'd keep those.
Well, this is the kind you want, but
I gotta get more line. It's wonderful catching the same bass over and over.
it's a nice one, but I think the other one was a little bit bigger. It also could have been the eggs. So, yeah. Nice. Only like 2-pounder, but still, they're fun to catch. Oh man, they're so fun to catch. Oh, for sure, easy. I love Northern. I just love the fight.